So we have been stumbled upon this question. For each real number r, which of the following point lies on the graph of the each equation in xy plane? So what this question is basically saying is there are two equations given here, as you can see, and the question wants us to verify which one of these four coordinates actually lies on this point. So let's get into this. So before starting to this question, I would like to clarify that these two are basically these two equations are basically just one, but in an multiplied form. So this question is a this equation is the multiplied version of this equation. So basically you can see the ratios of 10 25 8 20 and 15 37.5 are basically 0 0.4 0 0.4. So basically what does this means is let me show you. Yep. So I have put these two equations in Dismos, and as you can see, these are literally the same equations that lie upon just above each other. So these equations are called coincidence equations. So we don't have to take both, we just have to take just any one. Okay, so after that we just have to go through the manual process. We just have to assume a random value of 5 sorry r, because the question says for each real number r, so we can take any real number, just say r. Okay, and we can check the values. So I'm gonna take some time, so I'm gonna pause this video for a second. Yeah, so as you can see, okay, if for a second, I have put all the coordinates, and I can choose any real number, so I'm choosing, let's say, 5 as before. And if I tend to zoom, then I can only see the green one, you know. So yeah, so I can only see the green one. So green one is this minus 4 upon 5 1. So this lies on this equation. So although it may seem there are two equations, these are basically just only one equations, as I've already mentioned. So which of the following points lies on the graph from the question? So this is the point that is lying on the graph, the green one, minus 4r upon 5. So it's the option C. Thank you.